Hello, good day, வாழ்க வளமுடன். My name is Madhavan. I am from Bangalore. I've been talking about life force, Prana, in Tamil called Uyir. Uyir is something that we don't see, but without which we cannot survive, live, enjoy. So Vedatri Maharishi said that understanding of life force will enable to link spirituality with science. Yes, true. I'm going to talk of life force or life energy or Uyir or Prana. In order to understand this, we need to have some basic science knowledge. I've been talking about it. I talked about pressure, force, flow, and then talked about electricity, its pressure called voltage, its flow called current, its utility called resistance. Then also talked about magnetism, North Pole, South Pole, attraction, repulsion, magnetic field, field strength, field flux, flux density, etc. Now, the entire universe is in the ocean of magnetism. And therefore, each and every particle, let alone the masses, living organisms, humans, human minds, everything is magnetic. We got to understand this. This is very important. You know the beauty of magnet? You take a piece of magnet and it will always have two poles called North Pole and South Pole. Good. But when somebody says pole, it means they are poles apart. They are opposites. They are not the same. Like light to darkness, rich to poor, hot to cold. They are opposites. They are poles. So magnet is one such phenomena where opposites exist. You take one magnet, how many poles are there? Two poles. Good. Break the magnet into two pieces. How many poles are there? 4 poles. Wow. In one magnet, I break into 2 pieces, and each piece has got two poles. Break those 2 pieces into 4 pieces. Right? Then that will have 8 poles. However tiny a magnet is, there will always be 2 poles, which simply means magnet is a phenomenon where opposites coexist. Opposites are always there. If one plus is there, one minus is there. One pull is there, one push is there. One lift is there, one downwards is there. Does it not more or less resemble our life, everyday life? We go up, we go down, we go up and we go down. We have good moods, bad moods, all that. We can't live without opposites. So this is a great philosophy. A magnet phenomena tells us, right? And this is related to life force. Our life force is not a unidirectional movement. It's a bidirectional phenomena. It pushes, it pulls. Touch your heart and you say lap tap, lap tap, lap tap. Go to your lungs, expand, contract, expand, contract, expand, contract. Take your brain, the neurons in the brain, they keep jumping from one neuron to the other. When I say jump, real jump, yeah. You can see a spark jumps, electrical spark jumps between neurons, right? So what a phenomena that's happening. Magnet as a force of attraction or a force of repulsion, the force can be said as a pressure. And if you apply the pressure little more and little faster, you will hear a sound. Tap. The sound is a sound wave. Sound wave is electromagnetic wave, right? And you increase the pressure a little more and then hit the surface, you'll find sparks flying. There will be fire coming. Light will be there. It is once again electromagnetic waves, even sometimes colorful lights. And you keep increasing the pressure. Then what happens? The surface will start burning and evaporating. Evaporation will send a smell, some burning smell. Now, we call that chemical. Some chemical reaction takes place, right? And finally, it will leave some kind of a taste in your mouth, a chemical. And if you see this transformation, you can find out that what was originally pressure converted to sight, light to smell, and then to taste. Are they not look familiar to us? Yes, they are very familiar to us because every day we use 5 senses which exactly does this. The skin takes the pressure, the ear takes the sound, the eyes take the light, the nose takes the smell, and the tongue tastes. And that is the magic force. Life force is playing a magic in us. And we are enjoying every moment of our life using the five senses, and then the sixth sense, which goes wild. Imagination brings in artwork, brings in a music, brings in greater thinking, brings in a new science, computers, etc., etc. So therefore you see how the life force is working in us with the magnetic pressure, with the electrical waves, electromagnetic waves, sound and light, and chemical changes through the smell and taste. Thinking happens in the brain. In the brain, neurons jump, electrical spark fly. You see a kind of a dance that happens in our brain. There's a mind. Oh, what a beautiful thing that's happening around us. So friends, looks interesting, isn't it? Okay. I'll stop at this point of time and we will continue this topic tomorrow. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you. Have a good day.